Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Self-Controlled Robot for Military Application. So in this project, we are using an ARM7 LPC2148 and two sensors, obstacle sensor. To detect any obstacle, it will take a right direction and we go forward. Metal detection. If any metal detected, and it will track the GPS location and it will send to particular mobile number. So here we are using one 16 cross 2 LCD display to whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, and one Zigbee trans receiver pair and one L293D driver IC, motor 1, motor 2, surveillance camera, so Wi-Fi camera. So we are monitoring on our mobile phone. V380 power supply, Zigbee receiver, and it connected to PC. So it should be connected to PC. Here Zigbee receiver and USB to UART module, and should be connected to the computer. So here we are using one hyperterminal software. So go to tools, terminal, then OK. So here the black color window, it will show you the output. Okay, let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using an ARM7 LPC2148 board. So this is the reset button, and here one microcontroller board, ultrasonic distance measurement module, and here op amp, L293D driver IC, and a Zigbee module, and here one metal detection sensor, and so here one AV V380 camera and power supply module. Okay, so we have to give power supply everything, and one GSM modem SIM 800L. Okay, so let's restart. So self regulate military application, so it will wait for 2 minutes, no obstacle and no metal detection. So here we are using one V380 camera. Okay, open this app. So go to internet, Wi-Fi. Okay, so without continue, confirm, and we can monitor the data onto the. So in my mobile phone it is showing MV16071540. Okay, and go to V380 camera and dialing. So here it will show. Yeah, camera came. So you can turn the camera, left direction, right direction, up direction, down, up. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to control the. So here we came. Okay, now I'm pressing the capital F, forward, backward, left, right, stop. Okay, so it can stop. Now any metal detected, okay, so metal detected, yes. So metal detected GPS track, latitude value, longitude value, and we will get one SMS alert. So bomb detected, location place, and Google map. Okay, so now I'm going to control the camera using mobile phone. Okay, so now I'm going to control the robot here. Forward, backward, okay, left, stop, forward, stop. Metal detector, metal detector, and we will get the SMS alert. Latitude value, longitude value, okay, metal detector. Yeah, we got the SMS alert. Thanking you.